Welcome folks, this is my Axial Ax10 Deadbolt rock crawler. As ever, any comments or questions on this video, please do ask away in the comments section below, and if you like it, then as ever, please do like and subscribe. Well, today I've got the camera mount on the front here, so I'm going to put that on board right now and get going. This Axial Ax10 Deadbolt is stock as can be. It's running a 2S lipo pack in here, around about 4000 milliamps. So I'll get the camera on board and let's get crawling.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please do like and by all means subscribe.